Look, I hate to be the one to break it to you, but there is one key component on manifestation that you have been leaving out, and that's why nothing is working the way you expected. So, what is this? Stick around a minute. Let's talk about it. So, what's going on? Why is it that you sit and think really, really hard about what you want and you're trying so hard to follow all the techniques on manifesting and it's just not happening? What's going on here? Well, let me tell you something. Honey, if all you're doing is sitting on your sofa and thinking really hard, you're not manifesting. You're wishing. To manifest your goal, you have to become a co creator with the universe. That doesn't mean you sit in your living room and wish really hard. That means that you get up off your butt and you start working to make your manifestation happen. So, what does this look like? How well does this work? Let's see. Someone asked me on the page the other day if it's possible to manifest having an A-list celebrity in your life. Answer, sure. I've done it. So I decided that I wanted to manifest a conversation with a certain A-list celebrity. And I just manifested a conversation because I don't believe in manifesting relationships with specific people. That goes into negating their free will, and that just gets into all sorts of ethical complications for me. That's my choice. What you choose to do is up to you. However, I did want to have a talk with this very nice gentleman that I had a crush on, even though he's married. So I manifested it. I did my 17 seconds of focused thought that it would happen on a specific day. And then I submitted an application to be an extra in a movie that he was filming near me. And sure enough, I got picked. I got picked for a scene that in the long run involves standing outside in a formation for 15 hours, watching this very handsome gentleman getting lifted up on a zip line from behind. Not a bad way to spend a day and a half, really. And getting paid for it? Bonus. But still, that wasn't what I had manifested. What I wanted was a conversation with him. So towards about the 12-hour mark, when they had finished up his scenes and they were going back to just shooting all of the crowd scenes with us, he and some of the other stars were starting to leave. And they were walking past the entire group of us standing there in formation. And he saw me and he stopped. And he looked at me and he said, "Wow, you are really noticeable." And I said, "Thank you." He said, "That is probably the most post-apocalyptic hair I have ever seen. Congratulations." So, not quite the conversation that I wanted, because, no sudden protestations about dying love or an invite out to dinner. But what I had manifested had come to pass. I had a conversation with this A-list celebrity, and the movie has since come out, and yes, my hair really is that much of a mess in it. So, but that is how it works. You manifest energetically, and then you put in the effort so that that manifestation can come into your physical world. If I had sat in my living room, the chance of this particular A-list celebrity suddenly walking through my front door to tell me what he thought of my hair is pretty slim. But since I got up and did the work to be in the right area for that manifestation to come about, it did. And I've tried that since with other A-list celebrities. And because I have tried that with other A-list celebrities, I am in a number of TV and movies and a few of the Disney streaming for things. And yeah, I'm officially a member of the MCU. But all of those things happened because I was willing to put in the work. I was willing to go to the fittings. I was willing to go sit on set for 12 hours or more at a time. I was willing to be what I needed to be for that manifestation to happen in my life. And because of that, I have had the pleasure of working with some absolutely incredible people. I have had the amazing opportunity of listening to Jennifer Hudson sing a cappella for almost 14 hours. How many people can say they've done that? Well, everyone who was in the extras pool with me that day, but still, how incredible of an opportunity is it to be able to say, I spent a month working on a movie set with Miss Hudson, and be able to prove it. When you manifest an event, it is not enough to simply put out the energy. If all you're doing is putting out the energy, you are doing an elaborate form of wishing. You must be willing to put forth the effort necessary, or the manifestation simply cannot happen. And, don't get upset with me. This is one of the laws of the universe. You not only need the energetic alignment, you need the physical proximity to make it happen. Now, once you have that physical proximity, the sky is the limit. If you wanted to say that you sat down and had dinner with an A-list celebrity, yeah, you can make that happen. The first time I did it was backstage for Black Lightning for the Infinite Earth crossover event. I sat down and had dinner with the stars there and their families. Very nice people, by the way. So, what are you doing to bring your manifestation to fruition? What are you physically doing to make your manifestation happen? If you're manifesting a business, what have you done to prepare for that business? Do you have the business plan in place? Do you have the location picked out? Do you know what it is you're going to be doing? If you are manifesting having money come into your life, where is that money coming from? How are you welcoming that in? If you are manifesting winning the lottery, are you buying the lottery tickets in the first place? Because if you don't play, you don't win. You must give the universe the opportunity to bring your manifested desire into your life. If you're hermiting in your room, you are not giving the universe that opportunity, and you are denying yourself your own manifestations. You are turning away your manifestations because you are not actively receiving that energy that you've been putting out. So, let me know. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you are doing to actively welcome your manifestation into your life. Tell me how you are preparing for that manifestation to come in. If you are manifesting a love life, are you making room in your dressers for someone to move in with you? Or are you, so crowded in that a new person would be squeezed out? If you are manifesting a new job, are you actually sending out resumes, or are you just hoping that someone's going to notice you? Because I hate to tell you this, it doesn't matter how good you are at selling shoes. Tony Robbins is not going to walk in and suddenly offer you a job as a speaker. It doesn't work that way. You have to work to bring your manifestation into your life. Now, once you do that, then amazing things can happen. But you have to be willing to make that shift first. I'm Marna. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you on the next video.